I am at CES 2026 and I just tested this drive about 2 weeks ago and they have new products here. Let's take a closer look. Based on this booth layout, this brand is focused on safety. Holy shit, so many helmets, and of course the easiest install assist drive I've tested so far. This drive is just awesome, so simple to install, takes no more than 30 seconds, no buttons to press, no remote, no settings, straight pedal and go. All battery, electronics and sensors in one enclosure. Set to give you 15 miles an hour assist, so you get in trouble with the law. If you want to go faster, 20 miles an hour, it's easy. You can achieve up to 25 miles an hour if you pedal a bit harder. And of course you get a workout here. But the drive is smooth, intelligent, a bonus for elderly, and of course for long-range riders. These helmets have features I have never seen before, and the cool part, they're priced reasonable. The carbon fiber motorcycle smart helmet is just so cool, it caught my attention, and usually this type of helmets are over $1,000 easily. You get a lot of cool features, these lights are sick, full-size carbon fiber, and it's only $699. This is a steal.
So it has like front camera, picture, it has home audio, it has speaker, it has connect to your phone.
How much is that?
This one was $699.
$699.
Yeah, for a motorcycle helmet.
That's pretty cheap, and it's carbon fiber, right? All full.
I don't know.
It looks full carbon fiber, yeah.
Pretty reasonable price.
It's more than reasonable, and it has a lot of features. Wow, that's crazy. $699.
Yeah.
Full carbon fiber. A lot of vents, lights in the front also. And you can see here, camera on the front. Does it have camera in the back?
So far this one doesn't, but we have new product line. We'll have the camera in the back.
Camera in the back, right? Wow. Yeah, vents on the top here. Yeah, you can close this. I mean, this brand has really cool product. I reviewed that drive, and it's actually, guys, working so well. And this is the bike conversion kit light edition. They also have a light here with the camera in the back. Looks like I didn't test that one out, but this, I have a video and it's just impressive how well it works. This is the easiest kit to install. Any bike will work. You just put here in the back and done deal, like less than 30 seconds. You just press the on off button right here and that's it, done deal. I think it was triple click or double click, I forgot. And besides push it down, it's adjusting by itself. I'll show you in a second those settings, and it works flawlessly. Uphill, you have low assist, but on the flats, it feels like 350 up to 500 watts drive. It just really makes a difference. If you have a long range and get tired, this is gonna help you a lot. And it's really affordable. The price is like around $300. They also have sales on holidays when the price goes below. It's just impressive. Also, the battery inside is travel proof. You can take it on an airplane with you. You can travel internationally. This is insane, and it's well done. My drive still works, no issues, and the clamp is super easy to connect anywhere on the stem of the seat post, right? If you have a frame that maybe this is higher, you can actually clip it to the frame. It's really simple, really easy, and it works. 15-20 miles an hour is just perfect. Like if you're a strong guy, if you're a big guy, you can pass 20 miles an hour easily. If you're like somebody who's 100 to 175 pounds and you want to go, let's say 12, 15 miles an hour, you'll get 15 plus. It's gonna go 15 and over. It's just really comfortable and gives you decent, like actually very good range. It is impressive kit and works on road bikes, off-road. It has to be a hardtail. If you have suspension, you'll have to put it in the front. You can do dual drive actually if you want to. It gives you a lot of options. How does it feel?
Feels good.
How long have you been pedaling?
It makes it feel a lot easier, that's for sure.
There you go, now it's on.
And then 3 times and you can see.
Oh yeah, I see it's going up. Yeah. And then you press again 3 times, right?
2 times.
2 times. Awesome. See how it goes down? and it adjusts by itself for the tire to grip perfectly, and it doesn't slip, and it just gives you enough assist to stay 15 plus miles an hour, which is the legal requirement. I pushed to 24, 25 miles an hour, and it's maintainable. So really, this is the most simple kit to install on any bike. Like, the best will be road tires, but even if you have those knobs off-road, it still grips pretty well. Like, this groove right here actually works, you know, impressively well. Like, I was surprised. Like, I was not expecting to be so grippy. I see a camera there, so tell me more about light.
Yeah, this is our smart AI new product, the smart AI tail light. It equipped with the camera here, and when the vehicle or the items getting approached, it will flash to warning the vehicle and warning the user. And because our helmet was equipped with the speaker, so the user can hear the sound of the speaker and know.
So the light is connected to the helmet, right?
Yes, so they don't need to always look back because of the the blind spot.
Yeah. It'll be notified the rider.
Yes, so they will feel unsecure during their riding. Unfortunately, some vehicle hit because of the camera. It will capture the video
impact, right?
as a kind of evidence to the police or to the insurance. Besides this, after the accident, it will make the patented fault detection, which means it will send the SOS alert to their emergency contact. So before, during, and after the accident, it will help our rider to ride much more safer.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are building ecosystem which connect the PikaBoost to the smart tail light, and our helmet is a product ecosystem.
These are the helmets that will have the same technology, right?
Yeah.
I see.
So like this one, it equipped with the.
Oh, I see. Oh, wow. Yeah, I was looking where.
Show the battery status, so it's
That's
almost
so
dead.
hidden. You can't see that.
Yeah,
Wow.
and you can make a turn signal, and also equipped with the speaker. So when connect with your phone, you can
hear that.
make up hands-free to pick up the phone call or listen to the music, make a turn signal. So all the operation is hands-free operation.
When you show me the back here, I was thinking this is the camera. Then I'm like, this is like a camera.
Actually, that's not the camera.
Yeah, and then I saw this flicker. I'm like, wow, this is hidden so well inside the frame of the helmet. This is really cool. Wow.
And it's very light.
It's super light. Yeah, it's like a regular helmet. Yeah, and it's so well embedded into the helmet.
Price is 119. And
120. Okay, 119, 120.
yeah,
Okay.
and the most important function for this is the patented fault detection. That means when people fall down, it will send the SOS alert and
Alert to
emergency contact. So we save lots of our users every year. So they called us lifesaver.
Nice.
So we are quite proud of that.
That's really cool.
That's what we
I
call
love this.
Pack
This
for
is really cool.
Yes, and very light.
Yeah.
Very light.
How about the rest of the helmets?
They are different design, different function for different users' demand. For this one is with the visor, and it's very simple function. Only have the tail lights.
I see. Yeah.
So it will
different design. Yeah.
Yeah, enhance the visibility, especially when riding in the evening. And also this one without the speaker, so it's much more simple function.
I see.
And still very light. And also equipped with the most important SOS
The same.
alert.
Yes. Wow.
Yeah. Passed the NTA A776 certificate, which is the e-bike helmet standard.
Approved,
so
yeah.
It's much more solid and
For higher speeds and
safer.
more. Yeah.
Yes.
And the same. I assume the same with this, right?
Actually, this one is the smart ski helmet for skiing.
For skiing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Equipped with the speaker system, so when connect with your phone, you can pick up the phone call, just one click any button to pick
That's
up the
also cool.
phone call, and you can set up the group and walkie-talkie with your friends, family.
That is
And
cool.
Another small function is the anti-loss alarm, which means when
GPS location, right?
in this one far away with your phone, they will both alert you and remind you.
That is crazy.
And also SOS alert. Because
And what's the
safety
price
is
for this one?
This one is 169.
169, 170. That's not bad.
Yeah.
699. That's.
You have already tested.
Yeah,
this
I
one.
actually took this with me, and yeah, this is coming in the next video. This is really cool, guys, and they have more stuff in here.
I
about this helmet?
would like to introduce this one. This is very simple function. Only has the tail light and show the battery status, and you can change different kind of lighting modes. Yeah, different kind of lighting modes, and this is the best seller on Best Buy in the
I
US.
see. What is the price?
$69.
$69, $70.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's very good.
Yes.
Yeah, that's very decent.
Yeah.
And these helmets are the same, right?
Yeah, they are all the same, but I would like to introduce
Just
this
different
one.
light all around. Okay, has turning signals. I assume.
It's already on the market, and this one sounded by JBL.
Oh,
So yeah,
wow.
the global exclusive cycling helmet that can use the JBL speaker and microphone. And
That is cool.
let me show you. You see, you can this one put on the handlebar
Turning
and can
signals,
show,
yes, yes.
show you the turn signal.
And it goes all the way around, which is really cool. You guys really thought about a lot of things, and this is really, really impressive.
Yeah, and also JBL speaker.
The speakers,
so
yes,
the
yes.
sound quality will be very nice.
Can we play it, or can we do a sample? The play music?
You need to connect with your phone.
The phone, okay,
And
all right.
maybe you can taste later.
Got it.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for showing me. This is really impressive, and I think I'll be getting at least one of them, at least this from a motorcycle. I want to get it because it has DOT approval, it's carbon fiber, it's light, and has the lights, and you can, connect your phone. And I ride mostly motorcycles now, but still, these other options are very impressive. This is really, really cool. Thank you.